up, you guys? Welcome back. Rawr.
Tell me that you love me, tell me that you love me. Is that you There's just nothing your face. The sparkle in your eyes gone, but the spark's still on your face. Tell me if you feel the same. Am I that easy to replace? If not, then what is the case?
I know
It's been 84 years.
I know I'm just the worst with uploading videos for this channel. The reason I say for this channel is because I have another channel with my girlfriend. We just hit 1,000 subscribers, so I want to thank you guys. If you are part of our family over on the other channel, I just want to say thank you for that. But if you're not, you definitely should be, so I will leave it linked down below for you to click it. Today, so this is my genuine reaction to me dyeing my hair and me seeing it for the first time. I just forgot to record an intro, so that's why the intro is me with my hair done, and now it jumps to this. I decided to dye my hair. I can see just a little bit, but since I got out the shower, I have not even looked at my hair not one time. So I went red. So for today, I'm going to be styling this hair. Shh. Funny story, I was taking a chongo out of my hair, a hair tie, an elastic, a rubber band, whatever you want to call it. I was taking it out of my hair and it got caught to this very front piece of my hair and it ripped out like a lot. There's just like one piece right here that's like this long. So what I did was I cut the other side that length and I look retarded. Let's take this off my head and see how it looks. Oh my god. I don't think I like it. Oh my god. Well, the only thing I can do from here is love it. Let's just start brushing this weave because I'm getting irritated. Oh my god. Oh, let me show you that piece really quick. What did I do? Who let me do this? I'm gonna turn on the blow dryer. She's gonna act the fool, so I'm gonna kind of speed up this process. It's been about an hour or so. I ended up getting on the phone. The whole like crown of my head and a little bit towards the back of my head, it was not completely dry, so I just let it air dry. I actually really like the color of it. It's really red, but it's just something that I'm gonna have to get used to. I'm heating up my wand. This is the Remington. I don't remember the barrel of this, but if I can find it, I'll link it down below if you like the way that the curls come out. Like, do you see this? So then I just take my wand and wrap up my hair. I don't know how interesting this is gonna be because wanding my hair is not interesting. But my hair wands pretty quick. And then I just like loose waves. I don't really like tight curls. Now I do them opposite, so if I'm curling this inward, the next one I'm gonna curl outward. You know who I look like? The Little Mermaid. I'm actually going to finish curling my hair off of camera, and then I'm gonna come back on and do my makeup and everything on camera once my hair is done, because it's taking a lot of time, and I like to listen to music during this time, but it's hard because I record on my phone. So I'll be back. So what I've been doing is moisturizing a lot, using a lot of sprays, using a lot of cream products. The first thing that I use is the Pond's Dry Skin Cream. If you've been watching my channel for a long time, you know this used to be my ride or die. Before I do my makeup, normally I apply it 30 minutes to an hour before I start my makeup. And I just kind of massage my neck. Bring it down my neck. And for the two foundations that I've been using, I went back to my Maybelline Fit Me Dewy to Smooth, but I've also been mixing it with my Candid Revlon, and they're both in the shade Porcelain because your girl's porcelain. And then I just start painting my face. By the way, please don't come for me when you look at my beauty blender. I'm putting a disclaimer on it right now because my dog chewed it up the first day that I got it, but it was brand new. So I just soaked it in some hot water and move, Halo. I soaked it in some really hot water and Dawn dish soap. The crazy thing is I have the case for it too. She cracked the case open and got it. Well, I'm about to do my brows, but I'm gonna do them off camera because my brows are literally the same every time I do them. So I have my brows on. I'm going to use the Maybelline Dream Illuminator Corrector and just start doing a very light nose job. I'm gonna do my forehead, my cheeks, and my chin. Then I take my bronzing brush and I start down here because I don't want that to sit too long. I just want to create kind of like a shadow. And then I'll go over that later. I don't do too much on my chin because I want my face to look kind of slimmer and longer, and putting it here will make this look in too, and it'll make my face just look round but smaller. I've actually been getting a lot of compliments on my skin too since I've been doing this recently because it's a little different than what I normally use. I mean, I used to use, I've used creams before, but how I do my makeup now is nothing like how I used to do it. So now I'm going to take my Real Techniques crease brush and I'm gonna start blending that contour on my nose and creating a shadow going downward a bit. And this stuff is like a little bit goes such a long way. These people are outside my window staring at me. So for my concealer, I'm using the Maybelline Master Conceal, and this stuff is very long. Like a little bit goes a long way with this stuff, so I'd be careful to not put too much because it's very easy to do that. So that's pretty much good there. Go down the bridge of my nose. So now I'm going to set under my eye, and I'm using my CoverGirl powder in the shade Ivory. Dip into there and then start setting under my eye. So I've been using this technique lately instead of regular powder because it just doesn't make you look dry. Then I'm going to take my bigger blending brush and start setting all over my face with this. Because it's not as heavy as loose powder. Because with loose powder, since it's loose, it's so easy to pick up so much product at one time rather than only using just a little bit. So then I'm gonna take my blush in Milani Romantic Rose because it's my favorite blush of all time. And then start applying that to my face to add some color, cause girl, I don't know, I just love blush. And also don't be scared if you put too much blush, cause blush is always the first thing to fade, and you can be messy with blush because whenever you get red or you actually blush, you do get red in more places than just the apples of your cheeks. So for my highlighter, I use the Artist Couture in Cocoa Bling, and I have forever and ever and ever. Amen. My highlighting brush, I'm going to dip into my highlighter and start highlighting my, oh! That is a highlighted cheekbone. So I'm going to just start highlighting everywhere. You can never have too much highlight, girl. Just kidding, you absolutely can. So I got a phone call and then I forgot to push play. And all I did was add highlight to my nose, my forehead, my Cupid's bow, and a little bit on my chin. And now I'm adding that bronzer all over my eyes just to give me a little bit more color. So add a little bit of inner corner glitter. I've also only been doing my top row, my top lashes. I don't do bottom lashes anymore because it closes my eyes and I already have little eyes as it is. So I'm gonna go change, fix my hair, and then I will be right back. All right, you guys, so this is the completed look. I hope that you enjoyed this video. I know it's always so long before I finally get to post again, but I hope that you guys enjoyed this video and enjoyed like my new way of doing my makeup for the summer. I also have another video coming up, so I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. Please give this a big thumbs up if you did, and hit that subscribe button if you have not already. Turn your post notifications on so that every time I post you won't forget, because why would you want that, you know? Tell a friend to tell a friend to tell a friend to subscribe to my channel so they can join the family, join the fun, because every time it's with me, it is a party. But I feel like I'm not that cousin that never shows up to the barbecue or never shows up to the family functions. They do every once in a while, but not really, because like I never really post, but I do sometimes. Anyway, so thank you guys so much for watching, and until next time, you will see me in my next video. Mwah! Bye guys.